The prerequisites required for this project are as follows. We will be using Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. Raspberry Pi 3 Model B is a low-cost credit card size computer, and it is used for many hobby projects. So this Raspberry Pi has 4 USB ports, Ethernet port, HDMI for the display, and a micro USB port for the power supply. And it has 40 GPIO pins, that is general purpose input output pins, which will be using this. We will be building this project today. And next we have ULN 2003 IC. It's a 16 pin IC. This IC is used as a driver circuits for relays, LEDs, sensors, etc. We'll be connecting Raspberry Pi with the IC, and also we'll be driving this DC motor. It's a small submersible DC motor, using which we'll be supplying water to the pod on need basis. We'll also need few jumper wires for this project. And this is the adapter used to power up the Raspberry Pi, and I'm using a VGA to HDMI converter over here for my connecting to my monitor. And next we have a DST11 temperature sensor. This is a digital temperature and humidity sensor. It has 3 pins, which is VCC, ground, and data pin. This DST11 sensor can measure temperature from 0 degree to 50 degrees Celsius and humidity from 20% to 90%. Next we have digital soil moisture sensor. This sensor also has VCC, ground, and analog output and a digital output as well, both. The sensor, when it is inserted in the soil, depending on the level of the moisture level in the soil, the sensor will give a digital output of 1 or 0 depending on the high or low of the moisture.